Open the flight case, take out the screen and accessories. Open the camera bracket and adjust the height. The bottom support portion of the camera bracket remains parallel to the ground. Maintain width of about 2 meters between the two camera brackets. The height is around 1.8 meters. Open the screen and lay it on the foam. Put iron bars on the top and bottom of the screen to keep the screen flat. Iron bars snap between module case. Put screws on the iron bar to fix the iron bar. It takes 3 people to lift and keep balance of the screen. Hang the high-pressure elastic cord on both sides of the screen on the camera bracket. Plug the 324-volt power cables into the power box connector. Docking the power cables separately. Then connect the signal cables separately, and use the sending box and computer to light up the screen body. Two people work together to remove the screen and place it on top of the foam. Remove the screws on top of the iron bars, and remove the iron bars on both sides. Cover the top and bottom of the screen with protective foam. Roll up the screen for storage. The center needs to be cushioned with foam, storing the camera bracket away. Put the screen body and accessories into the flight case. Storage is complete.